Hi, I'm Dr. Rich Blon, host of the Sex Act podcast. This podcast is devoted to showing you how to use acceptance and commitment therapy to unleash the power of your sexual mind. In this, the second podcast, I'm going to give you a quick overview of acceptance and commitment therapy. Acceptance and commitment therapy, also known as ACT, is based on cognitive behavior therapy and relational frame theory. You don't have to understand these theories that ACT is based on to be able to use them to unleash the power of your sexual mind. An underlying premise of ACT is that mental suffering and sexual problems occur when you become rigid and inflexible in your thinking and you literally get stuck in a sexual rut. ACT refers to this as becoming psychologically inflexible. And what ACT tries to do is help you become more psychologically flexible, get unstuck, and behave in ways that support your sexual values and goals. Getting unstuck and developing greater psychological flexibility starts with really understanding the relationship between your self-talk, your emotions, and your behavior. And your self-talk is really that inner dialogue that goes on in your mind when you're confronted with a sexual concern or a problem. ACT looks at the usefulness of your sexual thinking in specific situations. And it really determines that usefulness in terms of your values and goals. So to help you determine what's useful and what isn't, ACT asks you to consider this basic question. Are the thoughts and feelings that I'm having helping me act in ways that are consistent with my sexual values and goals? And if your answer is yes, you can accept those thoughts and feelings and continue to move forward and take action. If the answer is no, it's okay to dismiss those thoughts and feelings because they don't help you take action on your sexual values and goals. And ACT is a values-neutral form of therapy. In other words, it won't tell you whether your thinking is right or wrong, good or bad, only if it is helpful and useful in meeting your sexual values and goals. And ACT teaches you how to become more mindful of your thinking and your feeling so you can start to get more in touch with what's going on in the activity of your mind. And it also teaches you how to manage your unhelpful thoughts and emotions. My Sex Act training approach doesn't require that you spend months or years analyzing why you think or feel the way you do. Rather, how useful are your thoughts and feelings and how you can learn how to manage unhelpful or not useful thoughts and feelings. So again, it's designed to really teach you how to accept what you're thinking and feeling while living a meaningful life based on your sexual values and goals. The two main components of ACT are acceptance and commitment, and each plays a key role in helping you stay true to your sexual values and goals. Acceptance has three components. The first one is becoming more mindful of your thoughts, emotions, and actions. The second is understanding how your thoughts and emotions support or oppose your values and goals. And then the third component is understanding how trying to eliminate or avoid painful thoughts and feelings actually increases your pain and suffering. Commitment refers to sticking with your goals while coexisting with your pain and suffering. The commitment component of ACT helps you commit to action that's consistent with your sexual values and goals. It shows you that you don't have to eliminate your painful thoughts and feelings in order to move forward and take action towards your sexual values and goals. Next month, we'll continue this discussion of ACT and show you how you can use it to start to unleash the power of your sexual mind. I look forward to working with you again next month.